Not only was Australian singer-songwriter Jaguar Jonze's US tour cut short, she released her first EP in the back of an ambulance. Jones, whose real name is Dea Lynch, had tested positive to COVID-19.
I was really sick. I had a fluctuating fever every day, really bad fatigue and lethargy, chest pains, excruciating chest pains.
The 28-year-old's deteriorating condition was picked up by Sydney's RPA Virtual Hospital, which had provided her with wireless devices to measure her vital signs and temperature.
And this is also Bluetooth to your phone and sends the data.
The information arrives here. It's not a typical hospital ward. Instead of beds, there are computer dashboards, but nurses are still monitoring patients 24 hours a day.
Do you feel any cough at all?
The hospital opened in February and within weeks COVID-19 reached Australian shores. RPA Virtual ramped up, caring for about 300 coronavirus patients at home and in special health hotels.
It prevents exposure of people to each other, so both healthcare workers to patients and patients to healthcare workers.
Ruth Craven tested positive when she landed in Sydney after cruising around South America. Now at home, the 58-year-old says she was reassured by the monitoring.
They would have been much more aware of even nuances of changes that they had seen in other people.
This entire pandemic has presented some opportunities for us to actually leverage off technology to connect to our patients in our community in ways that we've never been able to do before.
There's been a surge of interest in health technologies around the world, and that investment is likely to transform healthcare delivery long after the pandemic has passed.
There was this enormous amount of innovation that occurred in the health system over these last couple of months, and we should build on that.
Jaguar Jonze was given the all clear earlier this week after 40 days in RPA Virtual's care, giving her another reason to celebrate. Dea Clark, ABC News.